One case that has permanently has expanded the provisions of Article 21, that is right of personal liberty. Earlier in the video, I have told that the right of personal liberty has only extended to the physical liberty. But in the Menka Gandhi versus Union of India case, this personal liberty has expanded much more than that. What happened in this case, that petitioner, that is Menka Gandhi, who is the wife of Sanjay Gandhi, and currently she is the member of Bharatiya Janata Party. She has got issued a passport under Passport Act of 1967. But on July 1977, she has got a notice to surrender her passport. And when she has asked for the reason about the confiscation of the passport, the government of India has denied her request, and stating that this is due to the public, it is due to the general public interest. So what happened then? Menka Gandhi, the petitioner, has went to the Supreme Court under Article 32. And the main ground of this case was that the confiscation of the passport by the passport authority has violated the fundamental right of the petitioner, that the fundamental right of Article 14, Article 19 and Article 21. So the main issue raised here is that whether the Article 14, 19 and 21 are they mutually interconnected with each other, or are they distinct from each other. Then one more issue raised, that whether the right to travel outside the country is included in the Article 21 of the Constitution. So here what happened, the Justice P.N. Bhagwati has analyzed the case and said that the expression of personal liberty is extending much more the physical liberty of the Constitution. And in the